नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं हिंदुस्तान सीवी न्यूज और मैं हूं आपके साथ चोप सिंह सक्सेना और बात करते हैं इस वक्त की खास खबर की।
Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Sen, Science Faculty of Thought Public School. Today we organize a science exhibition in our school. It is a showcase to explore the wonder of science and to know the curiosity of our young minds. This exhibition shows the incredible imagination and dedication of our students. Our students work a lot for their models. Also, I just want to say thanks to their parents alone because they always support to their children and also support to the teachers and trust on us, जिसकी वजह से हम ये सब कुछ पॉसिबल कर पाए। बच्चों ने बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया है एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू से थैंक्स टू आवर रिस्पेक्टेड डायरेक्टर सर एंड प्रिंसिपल मैम टू ऑर्गेनाइज दिस एग्जीबिशन। थैंक यू।
बच्चों की प्रतिभा को लेकर क्या कहना चाहोगे?
सर, प्रतिभा के लिए मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि बच्चे हमारे जो इमेजिन कर लेते हैं, मतलब ये जो उनके मॉडल्स हैं ये सारी उनकी इमेजिनेशन के ऊपर ही है कि वो क्या सोचते हैं चीज़ों को लेके। वो साइंस को एक एज अ साइंस टीचर आई जस्ट वांट टू से वो साइंस को एक एज अ सब्जेक्ट नहीं लेते। हमारा जो साइंस एक सब्जेक्ट ऐसा है जिससे हम जान सकते हैं कि हमारा वर्ल्ड कैसा है, उसको एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं हम विद द हेल्प ऑफ साइंस। थैंक यू।
My name is Deepti and they are my partners Ruchi and Chetna. Today we made an important and life-saving project, gas leakage detector. It detects the gas. LPG gas is used in cooking. It is good cooking gas, but when it leaks, it causes many harmful reactionable accidents like fire accident, explosion and health issues. So it is so harmful. To prevent this, we made this project, gas leakage detector. It prevent us from explosions and it save our life. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Chanchal. We are student of class 6. Today I am excited to present to you the fascinating world of our solar system. Solar system like a giant family in the space with the sun is head. Our solar system discovered 4.6 billion years ago from a giant cloud of gases and dust called the solar nebula. The sun is the core of extremely hot, which is the cases of hydrogen to helium. Through this process called solar nuclear, this process for responsible for sunshine. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, each with its own unique feature. Mercury is the closest to the sun and the smallest planet. Venus is called Earth twins and the smallest and the extremely hot. Earth is also known as the support life. Mars is also known as the red planet, it being explorer for life sign. Jupiter is the largest planet, which is red storm and the great red spot. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings made of ice and rock. Uranus, it rotates on its sides, making it beautiful. Neptune is the windy blue planet and furthest from the sun.
There are dwarf planets like Pluto, moons, asteroids and comets that add to the beauty of our solar system. All of these objects are held together by the sun gravitational force and the specific orbits. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Pranjal. I am student of class 4. Today I am represent my science model. The title of it is volcano eruption. A volcano is a mountain where molten rock erupt through the surface of the earth. When a volcano erupts, lava molten rock expelled from it. It is a hole on the earth. It is a hole on the earth from which molten rock and gas erupt. Volcano hold very hot liquid is called magma. Some volcano can take thousands of years to from other can grow overnight. Thank you. I am Anya Saxena, student of class 4th. Today I am going to present my science model. The title of my model is Water Cycle. We all know that water is very important in our life. We cannot imagine our life without water. Once we all have wondered where this water have come from and how they circulate between land and the atmosphere. Today I am going to show this through this water cycle model. Water vapor rises in the air. When water vapor cools down, it forms small water droplets. This process is called the condensation. Then the small water droplets stick together and form clouds. In the clouds, small water droplets stick together and form big water drops. When these drops become heavy, they fall as rain on the earth. This process is called precipitation. Rainwater fill in the ocean, lakes and ponds. Again, due to sun heat, water from ocean, lakes and ponds changes into water vapor. Like this water cycle model continues in the nature. Thank you.
नाम बताइए।
मेरा नाम पावनी जैन है, मैं क्लास 8 में पढ़ती हूँ। आज हमारे स्कूल में साइंस एग्जीबिशन हुआ जिसमें मैंने वाटर अलार्म बनाया। मेरे ग्रुप में हम तीनों ने मिलकर बनाया है। मेरा नाम पावनी जैन है, मेरी अदिति चौहान ने और नैन्सी भवानिया ने। हम तीनों ने मिलकर वाटर अलार्म बताया और सबको वाटर अलार्म के बारे में समझाया कि जब पानी की टंकी भर जाती है तो अगर पानी की टंकी भर जाती है तो पानी फैलता है, तो इसलिए वाटर अलार्म बनाया गया है जिसके द्वारा पानी की टंकी भर जाती है तो हमें पता चल जाता है कि पानी की टंकी भर चुकी है।
My name is Arav Sharma. I am from class 6 from Thwart Public School. Today our school celebrated science exhibition and we make the project fire alarm. I wanted to explain this project. A fire alarm is a unit made of several devices which uses visual and audio signaling to warn people about a possible fire, smoke or carbon monoxide occurrence in the area of coverage. Fire alarm is usually set in fire alarm systems to provide zonal coverage for residences and commercial buildings. Thank you, sir.
Good morning everyone, my name is Karan Kushwaha from class 6th. Today I am representing my project. I can explain in Hindi. This is a fire alarm and here a sensor in Hindi. Sensor is electric. Here a sensor इसके अंदर एक सेंसर है और यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिक प्रोड्यूस करता है। इससे यहाँ पे आवाज़ आती है, हमें पता चल जाता है कि यहाँ पे एक आग लगी है। तो यहाँ पे हमें पता चल जाती है। हमें स्विच ऑन करके यहाँ पे पानी में से अपने आप इस के ऊपर पानी गिर जाएगा और तभी आग बुझ जाएगी।
Today I am presenting a views on my topic of water purification system. First of all, I am telling about what is water purification system. Water purification system is a system that impure water convert into pure water. In the first, jar pebbles have the top of the flow of large particles from the contaminated water. Thereafter, charcoal have the water to remove impurities and observe the from contaminated water. Thereafter, impure water passes through standard to remove impurities, and cotton help in the purification of water and small particles. Thank you and have a nice day.
Marjan from class 8th. Today is my story about the missile. Defense missile technology is used in space exploration. Rocket that launch satellite work is a similar principle as missile. They help in advancement in communication, weather and global navigation. Thank you.
Morning to all of you. My name is Abhiyagyam from class 6 of Thwart Public School. Today our school organizes a science exhibition in which every student take part and do hard work to submit their projects in their science exhibition. First of all, I would like to tell what is earthquake, because my project name is Earthquake Alarm. And first of all, I would like to tell what is earthquake. So, earthquake is a sudden shaking and rolling of the surface of the ground caused by the movement in the earth's rocky crust. It usually lasts for less than 1 minute. And now, I would like to tell you about my project. It is a system of accelerometer, seismometer, computer and alarm that is devised for a region for rapidly notifying that the earthquake have to come and alert ourselves that the earthquake have to come and keep ourselves safe. When the earthquake come and the dynamo earthquake machine simulator is started and the resulting vibration cause the movement in the pendulum. So it helps us to know that earthquake have to come. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, my name is Yuvraj Singh. I study in class 8 and I am representing a missile. A missile name is Agniveer, and one of the most important weapon in which the country, the self-defense country and the security, and the missile is a self-propelled weapon of which the authorities guided towards a target and the missile is a that can be unlike traditional weapons, but missile can be controlled even after they are launched. They are used for defense, security and also space exploration, and the missile play a crucial role in the security of a country, and India has developed advanced missiles like Agniveer, Prithvi and Brahmas and Trishul, Nag and Akash, and the very powerful missile. India has the which make our country strong and the self-reliant and the many of the things, and the defense is the and country and the very strong and not weak. It is the proved. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today we have held science exhibition in Thwart Public School, in which so many working models, static models, charts and pathological experiments have been done by our students. Our students had worked so hard from 8 days. They were continuously making their models. In working models we have made rainwater harvesting, volcanic eruption, electric lift, etc. And in static model, layers of soil, layers of atmosphere, food and its components. So many different models have been demonstrated by our students. And in the last, I just want to say that by all this, students enhance their practical abilities and उनकी जो imagination होती है इस सब से काफ़ी ज़्यादा enhance होती है. Thank you.
इसी के साथ बने रहिए आप हमारे साथ हिंदुस्तान CP न्यूज़ पर।